we are saying that the position of the Supreme Court must be obeyed. Therefore, we are standing by the governor, and we are saying that though there are political exigency that may want to make him bend over backwards to obey the Abuja agreement, we are saying that doing so is a direct assault to our constitution, it's a direct attack to our laws, and a flagrant disrespect for Rivers people. And our civil society will not stand by and watch him do that. Finally, we want to state that his office, that's the office of the governor, the office of the president, the office of the members of the House of Assembly, are all products of law. Therefore, the governor's action should be controlled and dictated by our laws. Anything outside that is null and void.
Rivers State is not a banana republic, neither is it the animal farm as demonstrated or painted by George Orwell in that his famous book. Therefore, whoever, be it the governor, be it the president, be it the assembly members, who are bound by the seventh schedule of our Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, when they all took oath of office, what we are saying is that, come what may, we shall make sure that they all abide by that Constitution. And no matter the shenanigans of anyone who thinks, or any group of persons who think that they are above the law, to want to try to hoodwink the governor of Rivers State to go and violate the law, he should be vigilant not to fall into that snare.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.